Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelsey. Today's video is all about organization, which is one of my favorite things to do. Today I am tackling my living room storage. I don't have a lot of space to work with in my house. My dad made me a built-in bookcase, which you can see right in the back here. And so I'm gonna walk you through on how I got that organized. Also, I'm going to be showing you how to organize my daughter's toys. She is 2 and her toys are all over the place, it feels like, at all times. So I'm going to get that in order, and I hope you guys enjoy seeing how it all comes together. Let's get started. It's quite a dark and rainy day today, so it's the perfect time to stay inside and get some projects done. I'm tackling my living room today, and I'm starting with my built-in bookcase. This is an IKEA Billy bookcase, but my dad was so awesome and built it into this area that I had, and it just makes the space feel so much bigger, and it really opens up the room. I love it so much. If you are working with a small space, I highly recommend these IKEA Billy bookcases. One, they're very inexpensive, and a thing that I love the most is that you can add doors to the bookcase itself, and that creates extra storage space that you can tuck away and keep hidden. If you are working in an apartment or condo, then I highly recommend these. They have worked out really well, and I have these bookcases all over my place. So first thing, I needed to make space so that I could work and get this done. So I just moved everything out of the way, and then it was time to tackle the inside of this cabinet. There was so much stuff in here that really had no rhyme or reason to be in there. I had tile, I had grout, there was a bunch of cords, just random miscellaneous holiday decor. So I started by removing all of that first. I had a box of tiles in here and they were so heavy, but I quickly realized that I need to start lifting weights and get back to the gym ASAP. Quickly, I just want to talk about the bins that I'm going to be using for this project. I got these beautiful teal bins from Hobby Lobby. They were $2 a piece. They were on sale. They have a bunch of different colors right now, so I would definitely go to your nearest Hobby Lobby if you can. I love working with this color. It just makes a space feel fresh and clean to me. And then the other bins were from Home Goods. I got 2 of those. They were $9.99 a piece, so they were a little bit more expensive, but I really loved the look of them. So now it's time to go through all of the things that were in that shelf and see what I want to keep and what I want to get rid of. I found some really cute things. My mom wrote me a journal every day when I was growing up, and she gave that to me recently. So it's really fun to go through now as a mom and see what she was going through. This sorting time is always fun because you find things that you didn't realize you had or you forgot about. And so I'm just sorting everything into 2 bins. I'm putting books into 1 bin and then games and cards into another. My brother was on a cover of a magazine and he was so proud about it, so of course I want to keep this because it's such a special memory. He's an amazing fisherman, so it's just a cute keepsake. So I'm going to keep that at the bottom and then basically just stack all of my books into this bin. My suggestion is to keep the books that you want to read the most at the top. So right now I am wanting to read Spirit Wars, so that's going to be at the top for me. And then of course I had to pause for a little dance break because the music just takes over me sometimes whenever I'm organizing. Unfortunately, my toddler ruined a few of the game boxes, so I got some Ziploc bags and put the games in there. I decided to keep all of my smaller games in this basket, so cards, Monopoly Deal, which is the best game ever if you guys haven't played, Bananagrams, Coop, things like that where we grab quite often. So for the 3 teal bins, I needed a place for all of my husband's electronic stuff and cords, so I thought these 3 would be perfect for that. So of course his Nintendo Switch, and then just a bunch of different cords that go along with that, controllers, remotes, headphones. Those 3 bins luckily fit everything perfectly. I was actually so happy with how these bins fit into this shelf. So if you do get a Billy bookcase, these bins are, like I said, at Hobby Lobby. Right now for the bottom shelf, I'm just folding up some blankets and putting them in there. I only had a few board games, so I just put those at the bottom. I don't know if this is permanent, but it works for now and I like how it looked. So now that the bottom section is done, I thought I'd move up to the top and get some dusting done. I wanted to quickly just go through the shelves and tell you guys about them. The top shelf has this really cute terrarium. I got this at HomeGoods. I feel like it doesn't see the light of day too often, but I love it a lot. And then the next shelf has all of my favorite books.
I would do anything just to get you back again. I would do anything at all.
And then the shelf down from that has a picture of me and my daughter, and then this lantern I got at HomeGoods, which was $19.99. And then on the bottom shelf, I keep more books that I love and reach for. And then I have the floral piece, which is from HomeGoods, and it's one of my favorites in my house. Moving on to tackle Kelsey's toys. If you don't know who Kelsey is, she is my 2-year-old daughter. She is so precious, but she also knows how to make a crazy mess. So this cube storage is honestly my favorite way to organize toys. I feel like they would work great in kids' rooms, living rooms, especially if you have a small space to work with. I just feel like they hold so much. And I originally had these blush pink bins in them, but I decided to take those out and kind of rearrange all of her toys. I highly suggest going through your kids' toys at least every 6 months, especially when you have younger kids. They're always changing and growing. I had a lot of toys from when Kenzie was younger, and so she's outgrown them. There was just a lot of junk and pieces that didn't really have a place for, so I went through all of that and sorted everything.
You can try to fool yourself like you love somebody else, but you and him will never feel the way we do. Ooh, 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 I wanna take you out. Ooh, 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 show you what I'm all about. Ooh, ooh, make up for what we lost.
My white cube storage is from IKEA, and the wicker bins that go inside are also from IKEA. I love those. They've worked out so well. And then I originally had the blush pink bins, but I changed them out for some new ones. These are from Walmart, and I love them. I love the tassel detail. I feel like they look more classy and chic. And guess what? They're only $9 a piece, so they're a great deal, and they hold so much stuff, you guys.
I'm feeling way too low to start this night, but I wanna get to your bash. Last night you tried to make me angry, yeah, but this time I get you mad. Oh, don't need apologies, enough for this, I'm burning for you. Can't get enough of the weekend. I wanna seize the night like I can't let go.
Do you still own DVDs? Because I feel like I'm the only person left on this planet that does. But for the life of me, I just can't get rid of them. I love them, especially my series like OC, Game of Thrones, Gossip Girl. They just have a very safe place in my heart. Once I got all of my bins sorted and organized, I was then able to go wipe down the cube itself, and it just was sparkling after that. And then putting all of the bins back into its correct place felt so satisfying. I love how it looks. This just makes my heart so happy. I love how streamlined and put together it looks. So if you guys have any questions about this, let me know in the comments.
I'm burning for you. Can't get enough of the weekend. I wanna seize the night.
I figured since I was working on this area, I might as well get it set up for Valentine's Day. I am having a Valentine's Day party next weekend, so this isn't going to be the full setup, but it is still getting me in the spirit. I got these window clings from Walmart. They were only 98 cents, and I love how it just makes the area look so festive and very girly.
Shines lighter, lighter than the sunlight. Lighter than the sunlight. You're lighter than the sunlight. Lighter than the sun. You're lighter than the sunlight. Can't get enough of the weekend. I wanna seize the night like I can't let go. Can't get enough of the weekend. Don't wanna ever get lost to the sun. Oh no, we can't get enough of the weekend. We wanna seize the night like we can't let go. Can't get enough of the weekend. Don't wanna ever get lost to the sun. No,
I talked about most of this stuff in my home decor haul, so I was just putting it out and getting it all set up. Of course, I had to add a picture of my favorite Valentine right in the middle. Valentine's Day has always just been a special holiday to me. It has been one of my favorites since I was little, so it's just fun being an adult now and getting everything decorated and set up for this special day.
concrete walls, there's a place for us where we could go, where we could be alone between cities. lights, we don't have to hide. I wanna go, do you wanna follow? There's something in the air, I can't explain it, but it's there. Ain't nobody gonna find us in our secret love affair. I don't wanna have to hide no more, it shouldn't be unfair. I wanna go, and I wanna know, do you wanna follow?
So here are some after clips for you so you can see the finished product. I love how everything has its own special place, and so now it's easy to find things. I love that Kelsey is able to put her toys away in her cubes. It's just an easy way to stay organized for a small space, in my opinion. So that's it.
Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go, and I wanna know, do you wanna follow? I can't understand why.
Alright, that is everything for this organization video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it gave you some inspiration to get something in your house organized this weekend. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, I would love if you considered clicking that subscribe button down below. It would mean a lot to have you here with me, and give this video a thumbs up if it did inspire you or give you any organizational ideas, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!